In this video, we'll see time, schedule, and resources in AI. So, if you consider the planning, classical planning representation talks about the order in which the given task is to be carried out, but it cannot talk about the time, that is how long an action takes and when it occurs, right? So the most basic notion of time is that it is occupied by the events. These events occur during intervals, continuous spaces of time, right? So how we define the time then? So time planning involves allocating and managing time efficiently to accomplish tasks within specified deadline or time constraints. It includes considerations such as task duration, dependencies, and scheduling. For example, if we see in project management, time planning ensures that tasks are scheduled in a way that maximizes the efficiency and meets project deadlines. So we see this in all the time in project management. What happened if you consider any kind of project that we need to carry it out, for example, uh, airline scheduling, right? So in that case also, which task there are various tasks involved in the project management, or if you consider the project management stages also, that is analysis, planning, design, testing. So these are various tasks that need to be carried out in if you consider any project like life cycle, right? So this task time limit should be given to each and every task, like for analysis 1 month time, for planning 1 month time, for implementation 2 months time. If the timing is allocated to each and every task, so it will maximizes the efficiency and also meets the project deadline. जैसे कि प्रोजेक्ट का डेडलाइन होगा कि 10 मंथ में या 1 ईयर में उसको कंप्लीट करना है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग उस टास्क को, हर एक डिफरेंट टास्क को डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइमिंग अलोकेट करेंगे, राइट? सो प्लानिंग इन्वॉल्व्स अलोकेटिंग एंड मैनेजिंग टाइम इफिशिएंटली टू अकम्प्लिश एनी टास्क विद इन स्पेसिफाइड डेडलाइन, और उसको ही क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट. क्लियर? सो दिस इज अबाउट द टाइम. Now, critical path method is commonly used technique to determine the optimal scheduling of tasks based on their duration and dependency. This is one of the technique which can be used to find out the time and duration and dependencies among the task, right? Now next, this is very important, that is time. How much time each and every task, how much time to be given to each and every task. Now next come to the schedule, right? Now schedules is it will provide a structured timeline that outlines when task or activities should occur. एक स्ट्रक्चर टाइमलाइन गिवन रहता है. फॉर एग्जांपल स्ट्रक्चर टाइमलाइन मीन्स व्हाट, कि हमने टाइम तो दे दिया, जैसे एनालिसिस को 15 डेज टाइम दिया, प्लानिंग को 15 डेज टाइम दिया, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन को 2 मंथ्स टाइम दिया, बट स्ट्रक्चर टाइमलाइन हमें इसको देना पड़ेगा, शेड्यूल देना पड़ेगा. जैसे एनालिसिस के बाद ही हम लोग प्लानिंग करेंगे, प्लानिंग के बाद ही हम लोग इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करेंगे, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के बाद ही हम लोग टेस्टिंग करेंगे. दिस इज़ व्हाट द शेड्यूल. सो वी आर गिविंग अ शेड्यूल मीन्स स्ट्रक्चर टाइमलाइन वी आर आउटलाइनिंग, राइट, when the task or activities should occur. So they help in organizing and coordinating various tasks. तो इस ये हेल्प करेगा ऑर्गेनाइज एंड कोऑर्डिनेट करने के लिए वेरियस टास्क, रिसोर्सेज को एंड डिपेंडेंसीज टू इंश्योर स्मूथ कंडक्शन, राइट? सो रिसोर्सेज भी इन्वॉल्व होंगे, जैसे एनालिसिस के लिए अलग पीपल रहेंगे या फिर अलग सिस्टम्स लगेंगे, अलग मेथड्स लगेंगे. These are various resources, right? So they help in organizing and coordinating various tasks, resources and dependencies to ensure smooth execution, right? For example, an airline flight schedule outlines the departure and arrival time of for flights, right? So, to enable the passengers and crew to plan their travel based on the designated times and dates. तो एयरलाइन भी हमारे जो एयरलाइन है फ्लाइट शेड्यूल देता है, जो आउटलाइन करता है कि कब फ्लाइट डिपार्चर होगी, कब अराइव होगी, सो दैट पैसेंजर को उसके हिसाब से वो प्लान कर सके कि नेक्स्ट उनको कब कहाँ ट्रैवल करना है, कौन से डेट पे ट्रैवल करना है, राइट? सो schedule provide structure timeline that outlines when task or activity should occur, right? So scheduling is sometimes called as AI planning. So it is the branch of artificial intelligence and it concerned with the realization of action sequences for execution by intelligent agents and also by autonomous robots. If you consider in terms of AI planning, so as we know, this is the branch of artificial intelligence and it will concern with realization of the action sequences for execution by the intelligent agent. कि इंटेलिजेंट एजेंट ने कौन से एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस किस सीक्वेंस में उसने एग्जीक्यूट करने चाहिए for the autonomous robot, right? So in known environments how it behaves and in unknown environment how it behaves. So in known environments with available models, planning can be done offline, solution can be evaluated prior to its execution, and in unknown environment जहाँ पे हमें environment का knowledge नहीं है, the strategy obtained needs to be revised online. मीन्स ऑनलाइन उसको रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा, डायनेमिक बनाना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो मॉडल्स एंड शेड्यूल मस्ट बी अडेप्टेड. सोल्यूशन यूजुअली रिसोर्ट टू इंटरवल ट्रायल एंड एरर प्रोसेसेस, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट कम टू द रिसोर्सेस. हाउ रिसोर्सेस यूजफुल, राइट? सो रिसोर्सेस planning involves considering the availability and allocation of resources required accomplish task. So resources can include personal, equipment, materials or any other necessary assets. For example, अगर हम लोग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी देखते हैं तो रिसोर्स प्लानिंग इन्वॉल्व्स allocating machines, materials and labors to different production tasks to optimize the productivity and ensures efficient resource utilization, right? So resources, if you consider in terms of AI or in terms of implementation, so if you consider the typical job scheduling problem, it will consist of set of jobs and each job consists of allocation of action with ordering constraints among them, right? So each action has a duration and the set of resources constraint required by the action. So this is all about time, schedule and resources, and this is very important topic from the planning unit because many a time question will be asked in the university examination on this topic, that is time. Define time, schedules and resources, or explain time, schedules and resources. Thank you for patience hearing. If you like the video, please click on like button. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.